Hi friends, I hope you're all having a lovely day today. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of March right here. I'm so happy to be back in my regular filming setup. I'm back home in the United States and I'm just happy to be back. But anyway, I have no idea what's going on with Boxycharm at the moment. I don't have any spoilers. I haven't been paying attention to anything. So everything will be a surprise to me. So I can't wait. So if you guys want to find out with me what I got in my box, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, I actually haven't even taken off the tape. I usually just kind of open it before I start my videos and take a little peek, but I haven't done that yet. Let me get a knife. I guess this little eyebrow like cleanup tool will help. Oh yeah, that perfectly fine. So anyway, I haven't been keeping up with any of the spoilers. I did a huge unboxing, I don't know if it was a week or two ago, I forgot now, when I was in the Dominican Republic. I unboxed all my stuff there. I took it with me in my suitcase. And then I got home and my boxes were here already, which is really cool. Okay, so the first thing here is the card. So it looks like this month's theme is Boxycharm Game Changer. I love the little card actually. It's like pastel colors. Very perfect for spring, March. We're at the end of March right now. It's almost springtime. I love spring and I'm so excited the spring is finally here. I'm not into winter too much. But anyway, here it says Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. Really cool. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Oh my God, we started off great. I think I picked this. Yeah, I just remembered I did pick this out. So the first item here is the Ofra Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette. And it's a Boxy exclusive. I love that. Okay, so the packaging is gorgeous. Just beautiful. I know it looks simple, but I just really love the soft pink with the white. I don't know. I like simple packaging sometimes. Sometimes like very intricate packaging is really nice. But also I can appreciate simple packaging. Very pretty. We had a palette from them months ago that I reviewed and love. I've used so many times on my channel. Their all over face palette. Oh my gosh, I love that. I feel like that was the last time we had a big palette from them. Ooh, it looks like it's kind of damaged a little bit. I'm just gonna show you guys. There's the plastic over it. There's no mirror, but then these are the blushes. I feel like it's fine. Like I'll be able to save it, like just clean it up. But as you can see, some of the powder, it's not like everywhere, but it's splattered at some parts of around here, around the white part, but it's actually not bad. I can definitely clean that up. So I kind of wiped the little bit of powder. That wasn't really bad, but here is what it looks like. I haven't even looked at it myself. Hold on. So you get 6 blushes and these are beautiful. I love that they're mattes. You have like a peachy blush, mauve tone blush, a little bit of a brown, looks like a bronzer to me, and something deeper like more berry tone. These are gorgeous. I actually love Ofra Cosmetics blush formula. I use their blushes all the time. I got a palette from Ipsy I feel like 2 months ago, like a blush and highlighter palette. That's been my go-to lately. I love it, but this is beautiful and I'm gonna get so much use out of this. It's a really nice and easy palette to like hold in your hands, and I think like I guess travel friendly. It's not super small, but it's not like bulky. It's flat, you know what I mean? I like that. That was a really nice start, and this does retail for $39, which is a pretty nice value. I forgot to mention Boxycharm retails for $28 a month, I think, in case you guys are like interested in it. $28. I know it went up a little bit. Next product in my box is the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. Okay, this one I might read about. I didn't really read about the palette because I feel like it's a blush palette. You know what it does. But here it says, a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal's antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum, and dirt, and the antioxidant laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. Retails for $69. It sounds like perfection. I don't know why I'm so skeptical. Some of the descriptions for things like that, like they're going to take out your pores, they're going to perfect your skin. I don't know if that's even possible. So it sounds like I need that. I know I do have pores. I have dry skin. I need to work on my skin, especially the last few months. My skincare routine, I haven't been really keeping up with it. So I don't know, maybe I should try that. Detoxifying treatment. Let me see how you use this. So you cleanse and tone skin. Then you open to Squeeze a generous amount on your fingers or onto any brush or applicator. Apply a thin layer evenly to face and relax for 30 minutes and then gently peel off. Oh, so it's a peel off mask. I actually kind of enjoy those. I feel like there's an extra touch of like fun to them. I might try it out. It sounds pretty simple. Apply it, leave it on for 30 minutes and then peel it off. I might give that a go. If you guys have tried this before, let me know. If you recommend it, what do you think about it? And did I mention that retails for $69? So far we do have a pretty nice value with only 2 products. Next product in my box is the Earth Harbor Naturals Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. I know I have gotten some oils from Earth Harbor in my boxes that I've always wanted to use, but I've never used. I feel like I have too many oils. So this is, it says here, as sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively abundance of vitamin C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet. Retails for $38. Okay. So a lot of vitamins, and I'm trying to see like what it does before I show you guys. For bouncy, dewy skin. So that's supposed to maybe hydrate. Let's look at it. I'm actually really interested in the skincare products this time around. I'm trying to see and really find out what they do, because I need to get back into my skincare game. I usually avoid them. If you guys watch my channel before, you know. So that's what it looks like, and it smells very fruity. It looks almost like if it was like if it had beets in it, but I think it doesn't, or almost like it's sugar or something like that. Let's read. No, let me read the box. How you apply it. That's what I'm interested in. As a moisturizer, emulsify a tiny dollop of daisy. That's how I don't know how to say that word. As a moisturizer, and emulsify a tiny dollop between your fingertips and gently massage into your face, neck, and décolleté. As a sleeping mask for the last step in your nightly skincare ritual, apply a generous layer, massage it, and let up soak for 10 minutes. As a rescue repair treatment, scoop out a small dollop and massage into affected area. So it's a buttery beauty secret known to instantly reveal pure radiance, induce youthful buoyancy, and impact profound moisturization to your skin. Okay, I know a lot of people with oily skin might be like, no, get that away from me. I have the driest skin in the desert, so I think my skin is so dry that I actually think this sounds interesting. I'm going to give that a try. Just apply it whenever throughout the day to get more moisture. Okay. And did I say that retails for $38? The 4th item in my box is the Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. Oh. Wow. Interesting concept. A makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. Retails for $24. I think that's a very interesting product, and I'm definitely going to try that out today. I love, actually, one of my favorite things that I noticed that I love receiving is anything to remove your makeup. I didn't realize before how much I enjoy those products. I used to always be like, oh, I just want makeup. But I get a lot more use out of makeup removing products because I do my makeup a lot. So this sounds incredible. I'm going to give it a try. I'm not going to open it now because I did my makeup now recently. I don't even want to spray it around me because I don't want anything that could remove my makeup to accidentally get like near me. But I'm going to try that out today. Tonight I'm going to give it a go and see how it works out. But it sounds very promising. I love that. Last product is the Styled Dry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Ooh, I could use a hair mask for real. This super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and muru butter for healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair. It's a must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will be moisturized, silky, and shiny as never before. Retails for $16.95. Can I smell? Please open up. Oh, it has a little thing on it. Oh my god, it smells really good. Just imagine coconut oil and muru butter. Smells very heavenly, and I'm gonna try that out. How do I do this? How to use this? Gently work the mask through your hair from root to tip. Leave for 10 minutes before rinsing, and voila, you're good to go. Use 1 to 2 times per week as needed. I'm gonna try that out. Maybe tomorrow when I wash my hair tomorrow. So I think, yeah, it smells lovely and it sounds so simple. I love that. So I love when I get hair products too. So that one retails for $16.95, I said. So overall, I think I got a pretty awesome box. I got this really awesome hair mask that smells lovely. This makeup melt makeup remover spray. Earth Harbor Radiance Balm. This sounds really hydrating. It smells really awesome. Axology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. And that gorgeous Ofra Cosmetics Blush Palette. This box was awesome, and I really am happy that I went ahead and got it. I almost canceled all my boxes for March because I didn't know if I'd be back home in time to like receive them. And I'm just glad that I didn't cancel it because I love what I got. I'm not subscribed to Premium, but I kind of almost miss it. Let me know in the comments. Are you guys subscribed to Premium, and have you been loving it lately? Do you think I'm missing out? Should I subscribe back to Premium? Should I get it? Let me know, please. Because every day I'm like, should I? Not every day, but every now and then I'm like, should I really get Premium again? I kind of miss it, but I kind of don't at the same time. I'm not sure, but anyway, that's gonna be the end of today's unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all having an awesome time wherever you are in the world. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.